right. Today I'm going to introduce to my students the writing process. I'm going to show them how writing is like being a sculptor. So, okay, today's lesson requires no pencil or no paper, only your hands. While you work with your hands, please listen to me. It is important that you make a connection to what we're doing, to what I'm saying, to what I'm doing,
to what I'm saying.
You want to make a connection, all right? From this activity, you'll be able to answer two questions. What process does a writer go through to produce a final piece, and how a sculptor is like a writer? Get ready to get the feel of the clay in your hand. Slowly, go ahead and put your hands on the clay. Close your eyes. Work it with your hands.
Squish it?
Yeah, squish it with your hands. A writer must know the material before using it in a final piece. That is why it's important for you to read a variety of books, explore the dictionary, and work with a thesaurus. With your hands. Good. These are the places that you'll find materials of writers. Good. Good. Stretch it. Now, what is the materials for writers? Words. It is important for you to play with words, experiment with words in your journals, in your learning logs. Writer plays with words like a sculptor nails clay. Take a few minutes now. See what this material can do. Stretch it, pile it, press it, and fold it. Don't make anything out of it. Just play. I'm going to ask you to do something, but before I do, I want to introduce you to two parts of you who you may not know. First, a writer is like a sculptor, has two parts. Okay, point right here. We have the creator and the critic. We have the what?
Creator and the critic.
Writers like a sculptor has two parts. Which do you think has the bigger part in the first stage of writing? That's right. You need the creator. So, the creator is uncensored. It's the part of you with ideals. It's the part of you that brainstorms. And it's the part of you who sorts out ways. Okay? When do you think the critic comes in?
When the creator makes sorts out the ways.
No. If you're a creator first, when does the critic come out?
After you finish creating.
After you finish, Donald. So guess what? Right now, I want everybody to say these words. Critic.
Critic.
Wait your turn.
Wait your turn.
Okay, today you will create something. You will put it on display for other students and parents to see. Your audience is more than just me. Your audience will be all students and all parents. It is important to know your audience before you begin, because knowing your audience can affect what you create. I need somebody to repeat back what I said. Let me hear you. What did I just say?
Your audience is
All the students and all the parents. Okay. And you need to know your audience before you start what? Before you start creating. Very good. Just like a writer can't begin to write until they know their purpose or why you're writing. Today your purpose is to create a pencil holder. Something that will hold a pencil on your desk. The purpose focuses our attention. It sets our path and it sets our destination. So what is your purpose today?
to make a pencil holder.
What's it going to do?
Hold a pencil.
I want you to create your first of many ideas you will come up with for a pencil holder. Don't decide the final product yet. Just experiment with lots of ideas. Listen to me while you work, okay?
Can I get a pencil? Yeah.
What do you need a pencil for?
To put in our pencil holder.
Oh, so you need a pencil to make your thing?
Yes.
All right, well, go to your desk and let's get a pencil. Okay, guys, mush up your dough and start over again. It's okay. I know you don't want to destroy what you just made, but I want to prove to you that there's more than 1,000 ideas where that one came from, okay? So mush it up and make me another design.
What do we make?
What's your purpose? What's the purpose?
Make a difference.
What's your purpose, though? What are you trying to make in the beginning?
The beginning of pencil holder.
A pencil holder. So your purpose still making a what?
Pencil holder.
Make a different one. Just make a different one. How you doing, Donald J? All right. Gotta make sure you're in the movie. Don't start talking because that's being a critic for somebody else. Don't be a critic. Remember? Critic, wait your turn. What's your purpose?
Purpose is to make a pencil holder.
All right. Did you like your first design? All right, but you know you got to make a different one this time, right? All right, so if you make it different, I'll come back and check on it.
Look.
Oh,
Mr.
I told you.
Look at mine.
Okay. Is that design different than your first one? Okay, good.
Mine too.
Okay.
Look, Mr. Nine.
Okay. Oh, I like that.
There is like a writer. The sculptor and the writer are the same because they both have to have brainstorm ideas.
Well, a writer has to show his ideas just like in sculptor, and whenever you sculpture something, it takes your idea, and when you write something, it takes your idea, and you get to share
Got
it.
to know your audience. The sculptor and
They make
they need to know their audience.
Why?
They both need to know their audience because it's important to know your audience.
Okay. A writer needs words and a
Sculptor.
needs clay.
So you're saying they both need to know the materials that they're working with?
Yes.
Okay. What else? What else, Daryl?
Break the materials. It needs words and evidence. And evidence.
What do you mean evidence? You mean audience?
And purpose
Why is that important?
because they need to know what they're writing.
Okay, what I want you to do is ask your partner to look at your design and tell you if they know where the pencil goes. So in other words, grab your partner, and I need you to be a critic for your partner. All right? Tell them what you think they can do to make their sculpture better, and make sure it meets the
I
purpose.
think it's really good, but I think you need to work on it a little bit more from right here to put some more clay right there, so that way I'll hold it better and make it more higher to have it better, as pencil could hold more here.
Oh yeah, that's a good idea. Yours needs to be a little bit higher so it can hold more than one pencil. More than one
The
pencil.
pencil is to hold one pencil.
Oh yeah.
Yours, it needs to hold it straight like that. And it's a little flat, so you need to make it a little bit higher. And the sides needs to be circled.
What do you think, Joanna? Like, because you can take it the top off and put it and do it like that.
I think you should make the right here a little deeper, so if you don't want to open the burger, it should just slide out. Okay, I like when you added detail like it. So unique. What do you think I could do to fix it?
Maybe shape it a little around here. I think that will be okay. I want to think about mine.
It looks good. Just
Shape it right here.
yeah, a little bit. Yeah, now it's
Okay, you have just finished your first draft. Like a writer, a sculptor thinks about the audience and how they will respond to their work. The writer, like the sculptor, may stop at any point to get responses. You and your partner just told you ways that it can make it better. This quality is often called unity. This one idea should be obvious to all your partners. Okay. Now that you've gone through the first two stages of the writing process, one, you rehearse to come up with lots of ideas, which is brainstorming. Two, a first draft to get the essential meanings down. Now let's move on to the revision stage. Revision literally means see it again. What does revision mean?
See it again.
Someone wants you to look at your pencil holder from various points of view. Step away from it, look at it down low, look at it down high, look at it from standing on top of the desk. What was my instruction, children? To look at it from different angles. All right. Go to your seat. Do not talk. Look at your work from different angles. Donald, stay next to me. Stay next to me. Tamani, go. All right. What's the instructions, young man? What are you going to do?
Look at it different angles.
Okay, what angles do you want to look at first? From the bird's eye view? Okay, go ahead. Go get started. Look at it from different angles. Look at it from down low. Yeah. Okay. Look at that boy. I like that. Yeah. On the side, walk around and look at it from different angles. The children are now taking a look at their work from different angles. This is amazing. I'm really very, very pleased. Okay, the students just added some details to their work, and the project turned out beautiful. Let's show you some of the things that they made.
Today we learned about how writers and sculptors are the same. They have the same brains. They don't have the same brainstorm, but they both have to have brainstorm.
Okay. All right, guys. Thank you for today. You did a great job. Show that pride. Prideful. Trophy position. Hands down. Okay, that's the lesson for today.